Sometimes it still hurts a bit. Sometimes I'm so full of shit, but this much is true. Baby, I'm not over it. I'm over you. 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 I thought that I could stomp you out like a fire, like a flame. It's done, but now I'm covered in ashes, and I still feel the same. I guess if I get rid of every sign of what we ever did, there'll be no one left to blame. Yeah, I try to look ahead. Sometimes I look back instead. Think I always knew. Oh, baby, I'll get over it. I got over you. I got over you. I got over you. I got over you. I got over you.